Hillary here with the Sparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel, Simple Living with DIY Projects. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated my house for fall. I am really excited about this year's decor. I have my farmhouse entry table behind me, and I'm also going to be showing you how I decorated my bookcase. Before you go anywhere else, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button and that little bell right next to it so you never miss a video. I would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below in the description section. The first thing I'm going to do is decorate my farmhouse 2-tier tray, and I got these fake leaves at Target last year. And then I'm going to put these really cool pumpkins in here that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got these last year, but I went to Hobby Lobby and they still have them this year. I really love the look of these. This farmhouse 2-tier tray I also picked up at Hobby Lobby, and they still have it there. And I got this fox this year from Hobby Lobby. I could not resist this adorable fox. And this Hello Fall I got from Target at the dollar spot. It was $3. I love the simple look of this Hello Fall. And I already had this little, I don't even know what you'd call it, but basically I just filled it with some potpourri that I got from Hobby Lobby. These picture frames are just thrift store picture frames, and I took out the glass and I painted the frame. I will have a video in the description box below so you can see how you can do that too. This little basket I got at Hobby Lobby. And these mason jars I painted with my DIY chalk paint. You can find all the links to several other videos so you can create some of these things that I made in this video. So make sure you look at the links in the description box below for other videos. These cotton branches I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to place them in the jars. I love these cotton flowers. They give such a nice, simple look. And this just little wooden decor ball I got at grocery store. It was on clearance. I'm always looking out for stuff that's on clearance. I made this fall flower wreath last year, and I will also link that in the description box below. So there we have the top part of the entry table, and I found this lovely gold leaf and burlap banner at Hobby Lobby this year. So make sure you pick this up at Hobby Lobby. With the coupon, it was only like $7. I just think this thing is just gorgeous. Alright, now time for the bottom shelf. I found these lovely pumpkins at TJ Maxx last year. And now for the final touch, I found these beautiful pillows at Hobby Lobby this year. And they were 40% off. It just ties the whole entry table together, and I absolutely love it. And here is the final tour of my entry table fall decor. And up next, I'm going to show you my bookshelf fall decor. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the bookshelf decor because it's just really simple. I made this leaf banner with wooden leaves last year, and you can find the video in the links below for that. The thankful wood lettering is at Hobby Lobby this year. I found this really cute wheelbarrow actually just at a thrift store last year. And I had these little pumpkins were from Target, and also these pumpkins and pillow were from Target but from last year. So I hope this gives you some ideas for how you can decorate your house for fall. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel so you can watch out for more DIY videos and decor ideas. See you next time!